No, it's not in search of Bigfoot. That's not why I'm in the woods. Yeah, it's pretty scary, isn't it? Yeah, just one of those, some masks I collected. This one's, yeah, I'm going off topic now. Bigfoot, Aaron and the Hendersons. Anyway, where was I? Oh, yeah, in the woods. Intarsia. Sounds like something off my Chinese menu. So it's got to be pretty good. It's a woodwork kind of thing, inlay kind of thing. Anyway, here it is. Quick video, me, no waffling tonight. It's too late. I've got a bed to make. Linda Carter's on her way around in a minute.
When I wake up, what do there? Is this even real? Only thing that kept my heart beating. No one missing things, so stay wide awake. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign. But when I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder. Is this even see the stars. Come out at night, but we're still looking for signs. When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real? Come out at night, but we're still looking for signs. When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real? And you can't see the stars. I just wanna see the stars. With the moon in the night. I just wanna see the stars. When I wake up, what do there? Is this even real? Only thing that kept my heart beating. No one missing things, so stay wide awake. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign. But when I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real? Only come out at night.
My first impressions of this, it's only the second time I've used it. You've got to be so careful, these blades are so thin. You've got to treat it like you would a baby. I'm not being heavy-handed on it. So now I've got to cut all these pieces out as well.
The thing